everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video I'm going to do a quick at-home workout. Avy's going to join in with me. This is Leo, you're going to join in?
It's for our PE. It's for our PE at home school.
Yeah, so today is day one of the kids being home from school. We've already done some English, haven't we? We've started, go on, you can tell them.
I really like mine.
Yeah, we've started planning a story that we're going to write. So hopefully by the end of the quarantine, of the isolation, we would have wrote an amazing book. That is our plan, isn't it? So today we were just planning our story. Tomorrow we're going to write the first paragraph and then just go from there. Yeah, it is. We can tell them, guys. It may be in the next video. I might do a vlog and we can explain the story. So yeah, let's get into the workout. So we're going to be doing a quick workout today. It should only take about 10 minutes. What we're going to be doing is 5 different exercises. I'm going to do 10 of the exercise and then Ava's going to go do 10. So I'm going to tag you and then you go and do 10 and then we'll go on to the next exercise. We're going to do that 2 times. So it'll be nice and quick, but it should still get a nice sweat on and get us feeling really energized and like we've actually done something other than sitting on our bums all day. Okay, so let's get started. So the first exercise we're going to do, nice and simple, we're just going to do some squats. So I'm going to do 10, then I'll give you a little tag, and then you'll do 10, okay?
Tag you back.
That's it. Right, you ready? Okay, so 10 squats. 1.
Go on, Baba.
Burpees, because they're actually Ava's favourite. She loves a burpee. So we're going to do 10 burpees. Wait, so I'll go first and then you go, yep? Okay, right, ready? So 10 burpees. 1. So with these you can go on your knees or your toes, either way it's fine. So I'm going to go for 10, see if I can do 10 on my toes and then it'll be your turn again. Okay, let's do this. 1. Let me get you in the right position. So you want your chest over your hands. Sit, so come over, that's it. Okay, get your hips down. You give it down your toes. Yeah. Okay, so big elbows, chest down, and big your head up. Yeah, do it on your knees. I think that's a good idea. It's fine though. Okay, so you want your chest, you come in between this part here, yeah? Okay, 1. Keep that straight. 2, 3. So if you can, bring your knees back just a little tiny bit. Okay, bring your arm down a little bit as you come down. That's it, good, nearly there. You okay? Bring your chest down a bit more. So our next exercise, we're working our core a little bit. We're going to do some Russian twists. So you're going to come into this position here. I'm going to use this candle, but if you've got anything like a weight or anything, then you can use that. Actually, I have got a weight. Okay, so I've got a weight, so I'm going to use the weight, and then Ava can use the candle. Okay, so we're just going to do 10. So to there classes as 1. So we'll do 10 of those. Okay, you ready? So I'm going to do it with my feet up. You can do it with your feet down as well though. Feet up, ready? 1, 2, all the way around. 3, okay, you'll go, Amy. Yeah. Okay, so you're in that position. So you want to do legs up or legs down? Legs up, so you can move bend your legs. Whatever you really want to. Okay, so you want to twist all the way around. All the way around. Good. 1, perfect. And 2, really good, Amy. Yep, 3, keep going. And 4, that's all the way around with that, this shoulder, and it all the way around. 6, and 7, excellent. 8, 2 more, you're doing so well. Last one. And 10.
That was hard.
That's good. Okay, so our last exercise is going to be frog squats. So these are quite tough, you will really feel this in your quads. So I'm going to go first, so watch me whilst I'm doing them, AB, and then it'll be your turn, and I'll help you kind of get the positioning right, yeah? Okay, so we're going to come into kind of this crouch position here. You've got your legs nice and wide, and then lock your elbows in by your knees. I normally do a little praying position, but you want to come really low down, bum starts low to the ground, and then you're going to get it up into the air like this, keeping the nice straight back, keep your chest up, don't kind of come all the way down like this, and then just bring your bum down and back up again. So keep your feet planted on the floor the whole time. Okay, so I'm going to do 10 of those and then it'll be your turn, yeah? 8. Wow. You ready, baby? Got this. Come on then. Like a little monkey crouch. That is. Yeah? Yeah? Is that okay? Three. Keep your chest up a bit.
I've longed for this place, longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest and washed by the water.
That is all 5 of the exercise. Now we'll do it one more time.
No.
Yeah! Come on, we can do it one more time. You got this.
I can't do the frog squat.
Alright, we'll give you a replacement instead of those.
The blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. See many souls, many holy. Remember their faces, remember their facing home. Till we meet again, and I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest.
little at-home workout. We're knackered, aren't we? It's actually hard. Like, it only takes 10 minutes, that probably took us. And yeah, it's got us feeling really good, hasn't it? Tired, but good. Yeah, we're going to do some maths now. Next time I'm going to make Leo get involved. Look at him sitting in the corner there. Next time you've got to do it with us, okay? But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're doing lots more videos just like that. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video, and I will see you in another one soon. Bye!
Bye.
The blessedness